So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan natin itong Meralco Balls kabola na kung maalala nyo po, siya po ang ating pong pambato sa EASL together with their flagship franchise sa MVP Group na TNT Tropang Giga. And of course, we will talk about the potential Ginebra TNT trade kabola around Mikey Williams. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito nga po Meralco Balls kabola ay nakapili na po ng kanilang pangalawang import dito sa EASL, and they decided to go with the veteran Prince Ibe. So nakailang beses din po ito naging import ng Northport Batampier, and kilala natin to, di ba? This guy is a defensive demon. He's really good on the defensive end kabola, and he will now be partnered with Sulaiman Brahimo kabola. Yun pong unang import at import din ngayon dito po sa Commissioner's Cup ng Meralco Balls. Now, I'm not a fan of this decision kabola. What's the reason? Both of them, ito pong si Sulaiman at saka itong si Ibe, are not capable of consistently creating shots for themselves. Especially po si Ibe, no? Talagang ano siya, finisher lang, and then of course defensively he is really good kabola. Pero pwede mo rin naman sabihin na baka gusto lang talaga nila mag-focus po sa depensa. Pero sa nakikita ko kasi sa international game kabola, mas importante po na magkaroon, o napaka-importante po na magkaroon ng sustainable offense. If you do not have sustainable offense, I think mahihirapan pa rin po yung depensa mo. Especially po that you will be playing international level po na klase po ng team kabola na hindi mo masyadong na-scout. So para sa akin, mas importante mo na sustain mo muna yun pong offensa mo. And yun po yung naging issue for Meralco, is dun po sila mag-focus sa depensa. For me, this may not be a good decision kabola. Dito muna tayo sa mga comments po kabola, dito sa mga recent po natin na post about the top 10 free agents. Sabi ni Jun Garcia, SMB is the best choice for Bolic to play and chance to win more championship for her, not to Ginebra. Ang Kong is such a stupid team kabola. Stupid team daw yung Ginebra. I do not think stupid po kabola yung Ginebra. They just added Maverick Ayusi for nothing. I think that is not stupidity kabola, ano? So of course, SMB, I think totoo din naman that SMB is still the best choice in terms of winning championship. Sinundan ng isang Bahardo kabola. Pero Ginebra is also not a bad choice. Ginebra, para lumakas pa. Of course, kung pag Ginebra, bakit hindi, diba? So, Bolic to SMB, sana, sabi naman ng GF80, ano. Sa karin lineup ng Northport, kaya nila maghari, lalo na sa All Filipino Cup, sabi naman ng John Del Tudas. I do not think so, kabola. I do not think kaya po yan ng Northport Batampier. Now, speaking of Ginebra and TNT kabola, so let me show you or what type of trades that we can expect just in case tulungan po na Ginebra and TNT sa problema nila kay Mikey Williams kabola. Kasi nga po si Mikey Williams medyo close po sa ilan sa mga players po sa Ginebra, so baka mas maging madali po sa kanya ang makipag-negotiate po doon. The trade po that TNT will win with this one: Javid Aguilar, Pringle, Jeremiah Gray for Mikey Williams and JP Aram kabola. So, age-wise, of course, mas matanda po si Aguilar at saka si Pringle. Pero pag sinama mo kasi yung potential ni Jeremiah Gray, yes, even with his very bad injury kabola, I think, nalamang dito ang konti ang TNT. O di konting-konti lang actually, it's not that very obvious po na win. Sa akin kasi, Aguilar is still a top 20 player, Pringle is still serviceable kabola, and Aguilar will be a giant, and they need a giant kabola. So, overall, sa palagaw, may konti na win dito ang TNT. This is the win trade. The fair trade will be a Javid Aguilar and a first round pick to Mikey Williams. Again, an emphasis of the importance of finding a giant. Yes, hindi na po top 10 actually si Aguilar po doon sa ranking natin kabola. Pero this guy is still a top 5 center in the league. And again, a top 5 center in the league is very important, especially if you want to win championship mga kabola. Pag dinagdagan mo yung first round pick for the age difference, I think pwede na yan. That's already a fair exchange between the two teams. And then a loss will be of course Stanley Pringle and a first round pick for Mikey Williams. That is clearly a loss kasi yung pa lang sa numero mo pa po i-compare. Of course, hindi na po first round pick ang dapat po na maging additional lang po kay Stanley Pringle. Idagdag mo pa yung difference sa age, mas lalo na po, di ba? Dapat po hindi lang po ganyan ang package para sa isang Mikey Williams kabola. So kung mga balsa, ano dito ang gusto mong trade para kay Mikey Williams? Comment lang po sa baba.